Raman, your IELTS trainer. Is grammar important to get good marks in the IELTS examination? Many IELTS aspirants have this question in mind while preparing for their IELTS examination, as none of the modules directly assesses this skill. But you might be surprised to know that yes, grammar does play an important role in scoring good marks in the IELTS exam. Because grammar is the backbone of every language, whether it is English, Hindi, Punjabi or Japanese. So an adequate and proper knowledge of the grammar is important to score good in all the 4 modules of the IELTS, that is listening, speaking, reading and writing. But the importance of grammar in all the 4 modules differ. So now we will discuss the importance of grammar in each module. So first of all, we will discuss the importance of grammar in IELTS writing. Now IELTS writing module is assessed based on the 4 criteria, that is coherence and cohesion, grammatical range and accuracy, lexical analysis and task achievement or task response. Now what do you mean by these? Coherence and cohesion means how your essay or your task 1 is divided into logical paragraphs and how the paragraphs are connected with each other. Lexical resource means how vast your range of vocabulary that you use for expressing your task 1 or task 2. And task response or task achievement means how well you have answered the basic question as well as the subparts of the question. And last but not the least is grammatical range and accuracy. It means how well is your grammar, how many grammatical structures you are using for expressing your answer, and are your spellings correct. So these are the 4 criteria on which your marks is given for the task 1 and task 2 in both of the writing modules. So it means that the grammar accounts for 25% of the marks in the writing examination. So it means no matter how good your vocabulary is, if your grammar is not right, you will not be able to form logical and meaningful sentences, and hence you will lose your bank. Now I will show you an example where you will get to know that how the lack of proper grammar can lead to disastrous sentences. Now IELTS speaking examination is also judged based on the 4 different criteria, that is fluency and coherence, grammatical range and accuracy, lexical resource and pronunciation. So it means here again grammar accounts for 25% of the marks. In the speaking examination, we know that the student has to express their lot of ideas, some personal and some impersonal, and for that they have to express their ideas in various tenses where the student makes a lot of mistakes. And another important thing that is required in the speaking examination is the student need to be fluent as well. So here also, if the student makes a lot of grammatical mistakes, then he will not be able to make meaningful sentences and will end up losing the marks again. Though grammar plays a very important role in writing as well as speaking, it does not play a very essential role in reading and listening. So a basic knowledge of the grammar is essential to locate the correct answers from the given paragraphs, and also if the student has good grammar, then he would be able to locate the answers from the listening sections as well. So I recommend every one of you not to miss my next video where I will cover the 6 basic rules that are required to score high in the IELTS examination. So please leave a like below and click to that red subscribe button, and I will welcome your suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.